Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will explain how to change your Jeep Gladiator headlight bulb. First, gather your tools. You will need an 8mm and a 10mm socket, a small flathead screwdriver, and a panel popper. Make sure you have the correct H13 or 9008 replacement bulbs on hand. Having everything ready saves time and makes the process smooth and efficient. Now let's get started. Begin by opening the hood of your Jeep Gladiator. Next, use your panel popper or flathead screwdriver to carefully remove the plastic clips located along the top of the grille. Once the clips are out, gently pull the entire grille forward to detach it. Finally, use your 10mm socket to unscrew the 3 bolts securing the headlight assembly. With the headlight assembly free, carefully disconnect the electrical harness from the back of the unit. This usually involves pulling back a small white tab and pressing a release. Now, twist the old headlight bulb counterclockwise to remove it from its housing. Take your new H13 bulb, align its tabs, and insert it, then twist clockwise to lock it securely into position. To finish up, reconnect the electrical harness to your new bulb, ensuring it clicks into place. Carefully slide the headlight assembly back into its position and secure it with the 3 10mm bolts. Reinstall the front grille, making sure all plastic clips are firmly seated. Finally, turn on your Jeep and test both the low and high beams to confirm your new headlights are working perfectly.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.